Hey, I'm Trotty from the Midlife Motorheads. In today's video, you're going to learn a little bit about the clutch pedal assembly in the 5-speed swap of the Crown Vic project. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to the Midlife Motorheads South Shop. Today we're working a little bit on the Crown Vic project, getting ready for our 14-hour race with the Champ Car Endurance Series in Daytona in April. We're converting the Crown Vic from an automatic transmission to a manual transmission out of a Mustang GT. Now, one of the biggest hurdles is the clutch pedal assembly. The clutch pedal assembly out of the Mustang will not bolt to the floorboard of the Crown Victoria. So you kind of have to either buy a clutch pedal assembly already made. A company called adtr.net sells these assemblies as a part of their kit, but we decided that we're going to fabricate our own. We're going to take the clutch pedal assembly out of a Mustang GT and we're going to actually scab it on top of the brake pedal assembly out of the Crown Victoria. I've done a little bit of fab work today, so I wanted to show you what I've got done so far. Alright, so we have a Mustang clutch pedal assembly. I believe this was a 2001 model. This is the brake pedal assembly out of a 2004 Crown Victoria. So we're going to take the clutch pedal assembly and scab it to the brake pedal assembly of the Crown Vic. That way we can bolt it directly to the floor. So what we do is I'm going to take the clutch pedal quadrant off, and I'm going to remove the bolt, pull the brake pedal out because we don't need that. This is actually all we need. Now I've already sliced the mounting plate off the back of it. I cut a little bit right here so it fits onto the brake pedal assembly of the Crown Vic. Pretty good. We're going to need a little more trimming, but you'll kind of get the idea. So this will go down like this. Get everything kind of lined up. Make sure everything's square, and I'll tack weld it. We'll bolt it inside the car to make sure all the pedals work freely and there's plenty of clearance. Then we'll pull it back out and weld it. But that's going to be our clutch pedal assembly for our Crown Vic Interceptor 5-speed swap. So we'll see how it works. Stay tuned, and we'll continue on with the series.